Welcome student for maths class chapter number 11 perimeter and area part 1. So student, today we will start a new chapter. In that we are going to learn about the perimeter of rectangle and square and area of rectangle and square. So here I drawn rectangle and perimeter. So when we are talking about the rectangle, in that we find there is a length and width, okay, width or we can say breadth, okay. So when we finding the perimeter means here where we are calculating or we are measuring its boundary, measuring its length, okay. So this length we are going to measure with the help of the scale. So here we find that length what given 5 and width is given 2. So here 2 time length is given and 2 time width is given. So formula is what? 2 length plus breadth, or you can write 2 width plus length. Okay, sometimes widths are given, sometimes breadths are given. So here 2, mostly we see the 2 length plus breadth. This you have seen, okay. So 2 length and 2 breadths. So here width is given. So when we get the value, suppose L is 5 here and width given it is 2. So you put the value in this formula, then we will get 2 with what it is 2. Multiply 2 is multiplied by width. So 2 plus 5, it is how much? 7. Okay. So 2 is multiplied by 7 and we get what? 14. Next, when you are finding the perimeter of square, same method we are going to use. We are adding the length of all the sides, okay, or we know that in the square all sides are equal in length. So if you know the one side length, okay, suppose it is 3 centimeter, the other 3 sides also measurement is 3 centimeter. If the measurement of one side is 5 centimeter, then other 3 side measurement is also 5 centimeter. Reason what? All sides are equal in length. Okay, that's why. So when we are finding the perimeter of square, we are multiplying 4 into side. 4 means why? Square have 4 side. So 4 is multiply the one side, which we know. Okay, so when we multiply by that number, we will get the perimeter of square. So here side is given 3. So 4 is multiplied by 3, we will get what? 12. Next, about the area of rectangle. So area, when we are finding, here we are going to do the multiplication of length and breadth, okay, or multiplication of length and width. So what is the length here given? 5 is multiplied by 2, we will get what? 5 to the 10. So that is an area, okay. Now in square, again see, suppose here this box are given of 1 square centimeter, okay. So instead of counting all the boxes, what we are going to do? We are multiplying length into breadth. So length is 5 and width what given it is 2. So 5 2s are 10. So number of box we find here, there are 10. If each square is 1 square meter. Okay. Now next, about the square. So square area when we finding, what we know that all sides are equal in length. So if you know the one side, okay, this side is suppose 3, so this side also will be 3. So when we finding the area, we have to multiply the side. So both sides are equal in length. So the formula is what? Side into side. So here 3 given side. So 3 into 3 it is 9. If one box is here 1 square centimeter, so by multiplying we come to know there are 9 parts. Okay, so these 4 formulas we are using to solve our exercise 11.1. So everyone learn this formula: perimeter of rectangle and square, area of rectangle and square. So let's start to solve our exercise 11.1. See the first question. This is question number 1. The length and the breadth of the rectangle piece of land are 500 meter and 300 meter respectively. You have to find its area and the cost of the land here if 1 meter square of the land cost is 10,000. Okay. So two questions you have to solve. First one what given here? In the question given what? Length is given and breadth is given. Okay. So that we have to write, and area formula is what? Length is multiplied by breadth. So 500 is multiplied by 300. We will get the answer, that is 1,50,000 meter square. Okay. Now second question, they ask the cost of the land. If 1 meter square of land cost is 10,000. So here we know the area. So area is multiplied by 10,000. Okay. Then we will get the answer here. Okay. So in this way we find its area and the cost of the land. Next question, see question number 2. Find the area of the square park whose perimeter is 320 meter. Here we are going to find the area of square. Okay, so square it is. We know the all sides are equal in length. So perimeter given means whole measurement given, that is 320. Okay, out of that we have to find its one side. Okay, so area of square is given here 320. We have to find the one side length of the square. So perimeter is given 320. When we divide it by 4, we will get one side length. Okay, because we know that square have 4 sides. So here 320 is divided by 4, we will get 80 meters. So each measurement, each length of the side is 80 meter. 80, 80, 80 and 80. Okay, so here we find the side of one side of the square is 80 meter, and area of the square, again use the formula, is what? Side multiplied by side. So 680 is multiplied by 80, we get the answer 6,400 meter square. Question number 3c. Find the breadth of a rectangle plot of a land, okay, if its area is 440 meters square and the length is 22 meter. Also find its perimeter. So what is given in the question? Here the breadth of the rectangle plot we have to find, okay, and its area is given, means length into breadth. What answer we will get? That is 440, and the length is also given here. So it is very easy to find the breadth of the rectangle plot. So this is a rectangle plot, okay, where L is 22 meter and breadth we don't know. Okay, so total area we know that when we multiply length into breadth, it is what? 440. So it very easy. Area is divided by length, so we will get the answer, that is 440 is divided by 22 meter, we will get 20 meter, that is the breadth. Okay, now here second question, they asked to find the perimeter. Perimeter of rectangle formula we are known very well, that is 2 length plus breadth. So put the value there. 2 is multiplied by 22 plus 2 is multiplied by 20. So we will get what here? 2 into 42, that is 84. Either you do the addition here or you multiply 2 by 22 and 2 by 20. Answer is same. So here we get the answer. Perimeter of this rectangular plot of land is 84 meter. Next question number 4. The perimeter of the rectangular sheet is 100 centimeter. If the length is 35 centimeter, find its breadth. Also find the area. So what is given here? Here is a rectangular sheet in which length is given. Length is how much? 35 centimeter, and perimeter is also given. Perimeter means whole sheets. Total is given, that is 100 centimeter. Okay, now you have to find its breadth. So same formula we are going to use here, that is perimeter first 2 length plus breadth given. Okay, out of that perimeter is given, so 2 is multiplied by 35, or you can do the cross multiply. So here 2 will be divided by 100, so we will get what? 50, and 35 plus b. So value of b we will find by 50 minus 35, it is 15 centimeter. Second method what? That also I will tell you. 100 equals to here 2 into 35. How much will be? 70 plus B. Okay. So when we finding here B, here it is 2B. Okay. So 2B equals to what? 100 minus 70. It is how much? 30. Okay. So 2B equals to what? 30. And B equals to what? 30 is divided by 2. So we will get what? 15. Any method you can use here. So here we find B equals to 15 centimeter. Okay. Now area, they told to find the area. So area formula is length into breadth. L into B. So 35 is multiplied by 15. We will get 525 centimeter square. Next, question number 5. The area of a square park is same as the rectangular park. If the side of the square park is 60 meter and the length of the rectangle park is 90 meter, find the breadth of the rectangle park. So here square is also given and rectangle is also given. Okay, they told here that if the side of the square park is 60, so here it will be 60 and the length of the rectangle park is 90. Now they told here the area is same. Okay, area is same. So here we know the square formula. Area of square is what? Side into side. So here when we do the side into side, 60 into 60 we will get what? 3600, 3600. Now here breadth we don't know. So the total is given, that is 3600, because here they told the area of square park is same. Okay. So here it is B. Okay, by mistake written 6. So 90 and B is given here. Total is how much here? 3600. So put the value here. 3000, B equals to what here? 3600 will divided by 90. So 0 will cancel. 9 ones are 9. 9 fours are 36 and this 0 will be coming here. So it is 40 centimeter. Okay. In this way also we can find. And the second method, you have to write area of the rectangle part which is equals to the area of square part. So 90 into B is equals to 60 multiply by 60. So B value we will find by cross multiplying. Here 60 multiply 60 upon 90. So when here we cancelling this 0 we will get what? 6 and here 9. So 6 will be divide and write here 2. 3 2s are 6 and here 9 will cut and write 3. 3 3s are 9. Now here 3 1s are 3 and here 60 will cut and write here 30. Okay. 3, no, it will be 20, sorry. 20. 3, 60 will be divided by 3, so we will get what? 20. Now 20 into 2, again we will get what? 40. Both method is easy, any method you can use. So here we find the value of B, that is 40 meter. Next, question number 6. A wire is in the shape of rectangle. Its length is 40 centimeter and breadth is 22 centimeter. If the same wire is rebent in the shape of square, what will be the measure of each side? Also find which shape enclose more areas. So here we have to find the shape, which shape enclosing more area. Before that we have to find the measurement of each side of the square. So what is given here? Length is given. Okay, L is 40 and B is 22 centimeter. Perimeter of the rectangle formula we know that 2L plus B. So here put the value, we will get 240 centimeter plus 22 centimeter. 40 plus 22, when we add we will get 62. 62 is multiplied by 2, we will get 124 centimeter. Now here we got the perimeter of the rectangle. Okay, so now the wire is rebended into the square. So perimeter means this is a rectangle. Whole part measurement we will know that it is 124. Okay. Now same length of wire we are using to make a square. Okay. And rebending into the square. So let's see. Perimeter here it is 124. Here we are going to converting into the which shape? Square shape. Okay. So perimeter of square formula is 4 multiplied by side. Okay. So 4 multiplied by side. Side we find by dividing the perimeter upon one side. 4 sides. So 124 will be divided by 4. So we will get what? 31 centimeter. That is 31 centimeter is the length of one side. 31 centimeter is the length of other three sides. Okay. So when we add this number 31, 31, 31 and 31, we will get what? 124 means our one side length is correct. Or when we multiply 4 by 31, again we will get what? 124. So our answer is correct here. The length of one side of the square is 31 centimeter. Now they told to find the area of rectangle shape. It is length into breadth given. Okay, which is given here 40 centimeter and 22 centimeter. So what we got here? Area 880 centimeter square. Now find the area of square. Put the value. Formula is what? Side into side, or side square, or side multiply side. So 31 multiply by 31, we will get 961. Now compare here which size or which area is greater. So 961 is greater as compared to 880 centimeter square. Hence the square enclose more area than rectangle. Understood? Next question, see. The perimeter of rectangle is 130 centimeter if the breadth of the rectangle is 30 centimeter. Find its length. Also find the area of the rectangle. So again, same method we are going to use here. What is given? First we will write perimeter is given, breadth is given. Put the value of formula perimeter of rectangle, that is 2L plus B. Now here perimeter is given 130, 2 is given, length we don't know. Okay, length we have to find, and B is given 30. So here 2 is divided by 130. Okay, and length plus 30 centimeter given. Okay, here it is 30 centimeter. So we will get here what? Cancel this, we will get 65 centimeter. L plus 30. So when we finding the L, 65 is subtracted by 30, we will get 35 centimeter. Or second method also I will tell here, that is 2L plus B. So here what given? 130 is already given, equals to 2 into L. So 2L plus 30. B value is what given here? 30. So 2 into 30 it is 60. Okay. 2 into 30 is 60. So 2L equals to what? 130 minus 60. We will get what? 70. So 2L equals to what? 70. L value we will find by dividing 70 by 2. So we will get here answer 35. Any method you can use there. So here we find L equals to 35 centimeter. So area of rectangle, again we will put there L into B. So now here we know that L is 35 and B is 30 centimeter. So multiply, we will get what answer? That is 1050 centimeter square. Next question, see. A door of length 2 meter and breadth is 1 meter is fitted in a wall. The length of the wall is 4.5 meter and its breadth is 3.6 meter. Find the cost of the whitewashing the wall if the rate of whitewashing of the wall is rupees 20 per meter square. So to find the rate, first we have to find the area. What we have to find here? Area of the wall. So how to find the area of the wall? First see what is given here. Length is given Okay, L is 4.5 meter. Breadth is given, that is B is 3.6 meter. So length of the door what given? 2 meter, and breadth of the door is what given? 1 meter. So here area of the wall is L into B. We will get what? 4.5 meter multiplied by 3.6 meter. So answer is 16.20 meter. This is the area of the wall. Okay, we find the area of the wall. Next, we have to find the area of the door. Okay, so this is a wall. Okay, in that, suppose this is your door. So this area we have found here, that is 16.20 meter. Now the door, we have to find the area of the door also. Okay, so again same formula, L into B, 2 into 1, so 2 meter square. So area of the wall to be whitewashed equals to area of the wall minus area of the door, because the area of the door we are not going to do the whitewash. आपको यही whitewash करना है क्या? नहीं. So this area we have to subtract there. Okay, so total wall given, that is 16.20 meter square minus 2 meter. Okay, that area is covered by the door. So how much wall you are going to whitewash? That is 14.20 meter square. Okay, so this is the area of the wall which we are going to do the whitewash. So the cost of whitewash they already given, per meter 20 rupees. Okay, so 14.20 is multiplied by 20, we will get 284 rupees. So the area which given to whitewash is 14.20 meter square, and the cost required to do that is the rupees 284. Now next question, see. The perimeter of the rectangle is 130 centimeter if the breadth of the rectangle is 30 centimeter. Find its length. Find the area of the rectangle. Again, same question they are asking here. Perimeter is given, breadth is given. Using the formula of perimeter, we are going to find the length. Okay, so here we will find the length. 130 is divided by 2. We will get L plus 30 centimeter. 65 centimeter we will get when we do the cancelling this. 65 centimeter, L plus 30 centimeter. Okay, so L value we will find by subtracting 65 minus 30 centimeter. So value of L is what? 35 centimeter. So area of rectangle is L into B, that is 35 centimeter is multiplied by 30 centimeter. So answer is 1050 centimeter square. I think this question is repeated. So thank you. Here we completed our exercise 11.1.